Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this antique mousetrap design that has a very sensitive trigger system. In fact, at one time, the US government reviewed thousands of different mousetraps and officially adopted this one as the best. With that prestigious recognition, this trap became known as the Official. This trap was first patented on June 13, 1911 by Edward Ross and Frank Vetch. If you look at the patent drawings, it's basically a standard snap trap with one key difference. The trigger system's made out of twisted wire that forms a very sensitive double action trigger. Official traps appeared in hardware store catalogs between 1912 and the late 1950s. Originally, the Mousetrap sold for $1.20 a dozen, and the Rat Trap sold for $2.40 a dozen. And they also sold an Official Weasel Trap. It's the same size as a rat trap, but you mount it to a tree. Now in my house, this weasel trap is known as the loose tooth puller. Every time my kid has a tooth that's about ready to fall out, we tie a string to it, and then tie the other end to the weasel trap and give it a pull. It works really well. Now on the back of the rat trap, it shows you how to set it. You don't set the lever in the middle on the loop, but rather to the side. The advantage of the double action trigger is this: it instantly releases either with downward pressure or upward nibble, and is therefore sure to catch. So we'll go ahead and set the mousetrap. You pull back the kill bar and pull over the lever. Now you don't put it in that middle. That's not very sensitive. You set it to the side. The idea is the mouse will come along, pull on the bait, and you got him. On the end of the trigger is 2 wire hooks. On that, I'm going to put a hazelnut with some peanut butter. Then we're going to go set up the official mousetrap in the chicken coop and see if we can get a mouse. I set up this vintage Official mousetrap in the chicken coop and we got a mouse. It wanted the bait. It spent quite a while licking the peanut butter, but with the sensitive trigger system, we finally got it. Now I have to be really selective in the footage that I show on YouTube, so if you want to see the full sequence of the trap in action, I'll put it on my website. For now, we'll give this mouse a little flip. This is by far the most sensitive trigger system I've seen on a snap trap. It's a shame they don't make it anymore. If you're not already a subscriber to my channel, please consider hitting the button right there. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.